If you want to save time on every new project you start, you need to create a custom canvas template, and this is exactly how you do it. This is going to save you so much time. So when we're inside Procreate, in the top right here, we have select, import photo, and we have the plus. We can hit the plus icon there, and then we get some pre-made canvases. We can create a new canvas at the top. Now, what we want to do with this is create a custom canvas template. So we want to create one of these here for quick reference in the future. We're going to tap on the little dark box here with the plus icon in it, and this is going to be our custom canvas area. We can go ahead and we can use millimeters, centimeters, inches, or pixels, and then we can change all the parameters up here on the left from dimensions, color profile, time-lapse settings, and canvas properties. We're going to enter in all the properties up here in this panel, but we're also going to be able to change the name of it for quick reference in the future. For instance, if you wanted to create rockets A4 canvas, we can type that in, and then when we create this canvas, we're going to hit create there. And then when we go back to our gallery, we're going to hit the little plus icon, and we're going to see at the bottom, Rockets A4 canvas. Now, why would you want to do this? Because there are certain times when you need to have certain parameters set. I always print my art in A3. So if we look down this list here, I have one titled A3 print. It's set at 297 by 420 millimeters. I can tap on that, and instantly I'm ready to go. It's saved all the settings that I need, all the parameters that I need. I know that if I use this, I'm going to be able to print on A3 size at a really high quality, and I'm good to go. Get out there and start creating your own custom canvas templates, and it'll save you a ton of time inside of Procreate.